Hey guys, I'm Samragi Datta. If you are watching my face for the first time, then please do watch my introduction video. That's the first video of mine, and I will put the link of that video on the description below. Today in this video, I will cover two topics. One, how to buy expensive clothes paying comparatively cheap prices, and second, how you can create a good wardrobe. Now, please do go and bring whatever food you have, like popcorn. If you want to have some tea or coffee, please do bring it, because this video is gonna be a long one comparatively. This video will be all about me telling you guys the tips of how you can buy expensive clothes paying cheap prices, and also how to create good wardrobe. So you can't skip the video. If you do, then you will miss many things. So yeah, don't skip the video, watch the whole video. Now let's get started. So number one topic is how you can buy expensive clothes paying comparatively cheap prices. We all know that sale is very important. That actually helps you in buying expensive clothes or branded clothes paying comparatively cheap prices. So how you can just get to know when there is a sale going on? Okay, I will give you guys an idea. Okay, right now there is also a sale going on Myntra, so please do check that, because I mean there is a sale on Myntra up to 70% off, I guess. And also how you can get sale. Okay, one thing, there's always a sale in the middle of the year. That's the end of reason sale. You can also check on, like, check H&M. There's always a sale going on selective items in H&M. And if you are in Kolkata, then do visit the H&M store, which is in Elgin Road, which is on Elgin Road. That's a very good store, because whenever I go to that store, it doesn't matter which month is going on, whenever I go, there's always a sale going on selective items. You can always get 1 to 2 items which are of your own choice and pay cheap price for that. Other than that, what you can do is you can check some Instagram stores, because there are some Instagram stores which are which have started their business just like at the moment or something like that. They are not very popular, but they do have good quality. If you open the review section, like customer review section, like I think they put up highlights on customer reviews, so you can check that to know the quality as well. And you can check the prices. Those Instagram shops keep comparatively low prices on trendy clothes. And what you can do next is that you can buy from my brand. Yeah, actually I also design. If you guys know that I also design, then you can also visit my Instagram brand page that goes by the name Samragi Datta. I keep very low price, so if you really like the outfit, you can purchase it. Obviously you can DM on that account regarding the details of your favorite product, if you really want to purchase, because I am trying to keep very cheap price. So yeah, do visit that. I always buy during sale, not always, but most of the time, because I like to maintain quality with quantity. That's how I am. And guys, please forgive me if I don't look the best version of myself, because I really didn't feel like applying makeup today. I have just put on lip color, and that's that. I haven't done anything, nothing. Here I am sitting like this, just I have put on a lip color. I'm really sorry if I don't look the best version of myself, but I didn't really feel like doing a makeup for 1 hour or 30 minutes. I really didn't feel like, and I kind of was low, but yeah, I am now here.
Now next what you can do is okay, I don't have that sound. A few moments later.
You have already got the idea of how you can buy dresses paying comparatively cheap prices. You can visit my Instagram brand page, other Instagram shops that have just started, or go to Forever 21 store, H&M store, or you can also check from time to time when there's a sale going on. Okay, so I will also reveal the prices of my clothes. This play suit is for rupees 1299. I bought it for rupees 500 on sale. Now this tropical printed top is for rupees 800, not on sale, and this white crop top is for rupees 800, not on sale, but the shorts for rupees 400 on sale. Now this teal crop top is for rupees 800, not on sale, but the shorts for rupees 800. I don't remember whether it was on sale or not. Now this printed crop top is for rupees 800, and the blue shorts with it was on rupees was for rupees 800 as well. Now this yellow crop top is from Forever 21 for rupees 500 or 600. And now this Kanjivaram sari from Sari Mall on Myntra, I bought it for rupees 400, 2 rupees, because it was on sale, and I also used a coupon. This white crop top is for rupees 500, 600 actually. And now this leather dress was for rupees 1100 something on sale. And now this white top was for rupees 800, not on sale, and the shorts for rupees 800 on sale. The original price was 1299. And now this blue dress, the actual price of this blue dress was 2999, and I bought it for rupees 899. Same price goes with that animal print dress as well. Okay guys, I hope that you have the idea now. I hope this video helped you. Now I will move on to the second topic, which is how to create a good wardrobe. Now according to me, I will mention that. Now according to me, you should always have a certain few pieces in your wardrobe. Like you should always have 4 things in your wardrobe, like always. Those are life saving pieces. A basic black top, it can be, it would be better if it's a crop top. If not, then go for a normal like basic black t-shirt or something like that. A white one as well, and then a black shirt and a white shirt. You can style it with whatever pants you want or shorts you want. You can style it in various ways, and those can be, you can always dress it up and dress it down in whatever way you want. So that's very, like, it's very easy to style with them, to play with them. Now you should always also have denim in your wardrobe. Denim shorts, denim skirt, denim jackets, denim pants. You should always have those, because denim never goes out of trend. You know, it's always trendy. You can always like wear a denim like high-waisted jeans with a basic black crop top or something like that and still look trendy. You can also have a denim jacket on. The denim never goes out of style, so you should invest in denim pieces. But if you find that denim pants are a bit expensive, if they are of good quality, then you should invest in alternatives. Those are the trousers, joggers. I invest in trousers and joggers. I don't wear denim jeans that much because I feel itchy after a certain time during summers, and other than that I feel it a bit expensive to, like, it's a bit expensive. Denim jeans, like good quality denim jeans are a bit expensive, so I don't buy them. Yeah, I only paid a good deal of money wearing a leather pant, because that pant was worth it, because it's gorgeous, it's fab. I do like, it's a high-waisted leather pant, and you know, I have this one leather pant which I can style it in whatever way I want. So I just invested in that one. Like I invested 2000 rupees in that one. Otherwise I don't invest that much of money in one piece of clothing normally. So you can always go for alternative. Those are the trousers and joggers. Those are very comfortable. Like according to me, I feel that joggers and trousers are much more comfortable. Okay, you can always pick colors, and those are very much comfortable, like, and those are comparatively available at lower prices according to me. And other than that, you should always go for different prints. Yes, prints. I love prints. You should go for different prints. You know, you should always have clothings in your wardrobe which are absolutely different from each other. like you can't even find, so that you won't be able to find even one similarity between one clothing and the other clothing. You should always have the clothing pieces in your wardrobe absolutely different from each other, so that you can style them in whatever way you want. So you should go for prints, because different prints like change the mood. Like good prints do change the mood. Like I invest in prints a lot. If you go to my Instagram account, I invest a lot in prints, good prints. And other than that, I have seen people complaining about their skin tone not being suitable with different colors. Let me tell you one thing. I have heard people with dark skin tones saying this exact thing, that I have a dark skin tone and it's not like popping colors don't suit on me. And this is absolutely wrong. This is where you go wrong. Popping colors don't look bad at all. If you ask me, each and every skin tone looks good with each and every color. You just have to know how to style it, how to carry it. You have to know how to carry yourself. You have to believe in yourself. You have to be yourself. You can't, if you act, I have to clear one thing, that if you feel uncomfortable wearing a certain piece of clothing, don't go for that, because your confidence, the way you walk, the way you speak, the way you are behaving gets affected by that, because you're uncomfortable. So if you're comfortable wearing a certain piece of cloth, don't go for that. Absolutely not. If you're comfortable, then only wear that. So that's that. And yeah, don't you should always invest in oxidized jewelries and junk jewelries. Those are very good. If you want to create Indo-Western pieces, so those are very good. Those are very good. I invest in oxidized, like junk jewelries. Those are definitely stunning. So that's that. And I have seen this, like dark skin tone people complaining about this, and also the people with like with very much fair skin tone, they also complain sometimes. So this is not good. You should not complain about it, because I have seen people dark skin tone and very fair skin tone as well, wearing popping colors, different colors, and looking absolutely stunning. You just have to carry yourself. You know, you can't be uncomfortable. So if you feel uncomfortable, don't go for that, because that's what affects the entire look. That's what affects the entire vibe. So you can't stay happy if you're going to a brunch or lunch or whatever. If you are going to a party, if you feel uncomfortable, you won't be able to enjoy yourself, and that will reflect on your own face, on your own body language. So don't do that. And that's the thing. I love like colorful pieces very much. I love each and every color. Like you give me neon color, orange color, green color, purple, lavender, nude, I don't give a shit. I love all the colors. So those look absolutely stunning. So that's the thing. And if you are not comfortable wearing Western clothes, then let me tell you, go for traditional pieces like ethnic kurtis, which have patterns, which have unique patterns, not the usual ones like a straight kurti, that's it. No, don't go for the usual ones. If you want to look, if you want to be if you want to look different, if you want to look stylish, then you should like invest in traditional ethnic pieces which are have unique patterns, not the usual ones. So you should definitely go for that. And obviously invest in junk jewelries a lot, because they change the entire vibe. So you should do that. And I will suggest you go for chicken curry kurtis. Go for, and don't wear the chicken curry kurti with the given inner. Like they sometimes the brands give an inner wear with the chicken curry kurti. That's not good. That doesn't look good. So you should pair it up with the same colored camisole. That looks much better. Or if you are wearing a white sharara with it, you can wear a you can wear a white sharara with it, obviously, and go for the same colored camisole. So don't go for that long innerwear, that doesn't look good. Because I think chicken curry being transparent looks changes the entire vibe. That's what makes it very different. It looks good, the embroidery work and the sleeves being transparent, the transparent outfit, the entire thing. So that's that. And also invest in short kurtis, not the kurtis, the short kurtis which end up above your knees, like the kurtis which end up on your thighs. Exactly, the short kurtis which end up on your thighs. So you can pair it with a sharara pant, and pair it with junk jewelries. Those look very good. And you can also buy kurti sets for that. You can also do one thing. You can also buy shirts and wear it with long ethnic skirts, and also pair it with junk jewelries. And you can also wear camisoles with long embroidered skirts, long skirts obviously, and then with junk jewelry again. So you can do that. You can also wear kaftans. Kaftans look very good. Kaftans, like if you get any good, like if you get any kaftan available online or available in any other store with good prints, do buy kaftan, because kaftans are usually covered. They cover your skin they cover your skin. I don't think you will be uncomfortable. If you are uncomfortable showing too much skin, I don't think you will be uncomfortable after wearing a kaftan, because it covers the most of your skin. And you can always pair it with junk jewelries. Kaftans are very good. And also go for ethnic long dresses. Right now there is a trend going on of Indo-Western pieces, and there's always designers who design those ethnic dresses which are kind of like which end up on your knees, and those are like which have ethnic prints on them or embroideries on them. You can pair it with junk jewelry. So always look for unique patterns, different cuttings, different style, absolutely different. That's when you will look stylish. There's no harm in not showing too much skin, and there's no harm in showing you too much skin. You have to normalize yourself. You have to normalize your comfortable zone. You have to normalize showing too much skin and not showing too much skin at the same time. You can do it, that's not bad, and you cannot do it, that's also not bad. Each and every person has their own choices, so stick to that point. So that's that. This was the whole video, and if you really like this video, if you really like that this video was worth watching, then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please do hit the bell icon so that whenever I post any video you get notified first. And please do comment, because if you comment it will encourage me more to post much more videos on YouTube. So that's that. And I don't think I have skipped anything. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something? I don't know. I don't think I've forgotten something. So okay, so and yeah, also I will tell you, please do subscribe. Like if you're really, I will tell you why you should subscribe to my channel. If you're really interested in fashion, if you're really interested in styling videos, if you're really interested in buying products which I design, then please do subscribe, because I will be posting all of them on my channel. So you should subscribe to my channel then, and please do share the link of this video as much as you can. Please make it viral or something like that. No, it's up to you, okay? It's up to you. If you do like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe. That's all. Okay, bye. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.